Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a review about this Tefal vacuum cleaner, and that is basically a wireless charger where we charge it with this. So I'm going to be telling you how we can plug this in with this, because I've been looking for how to connect, but there isn't any video, so I thought it would be better if I can share with you how we connect this. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to take this one, and you will be able to see this. So we just need to put this inside, and then we just slide it, and the moment we slide, you can see inside there it's not straight, it's getting slanted. So if you can see, it goes there and this wire cuts there, and then we just need to push it a little bit furthermore and it gets connected. So this wire is connected and it's connected like that. So when we're gonna be charging it, we're just gonna be putting the battery in this one. The battery is going to be this one, and where you say this part has to go in this, and basically the way is the fat item that goes, slide it like that and it gets connected, and then you can power this with the socket and it's going to be charging. So this one thing has been done. Let's talk about the components it has. It has this long connector where we can take out any webs or something like that, or from dust which has not been able to go. So this is the brush. The second brush we get is this one we can use. The next is this. So basically these are two same size, same brushes we can use. Then this is the third component, right? So let's talk about the fourth one. This one is basically you can use it for soft brush. That soft brush means we can use it basically maybe for sofas cleaning or something, because it doesn't have anything like that, so it's going to be sucking up all the dirt we have. Basically, I personally feel it's going to be for sofa we can use it. And the last component, that's so like this is the 2, 3, this is the fourth. Let's go to the fifth one. Let's first unlock this one from there, pull it out, and it's going to be unlocked. This is the main components that we're going to be using for vacuum cleaner. So let's talk about the back part. It has this rolling thing that keeps on rolling and collects all the dirt and the hair properly, and it has a lock system here and it has an unlock system. So let's unlock, and what happens is you can remove this part. This one, we have to make sure we go all the way back where it says lock, and then just pull this side and you can see it will come out. And we just pull this one off from here, and you can clean this brush. And then once the brush is clean, see, this part doesn't have the rubber part, but this part has the rubber part. So we can just fix it again. We put this one over there. So if you see, this part doesn't have the rubber one, so this one goes over there. And this one has the rubber part, so this one is going to be going here. So let's get connected, and then we just need to make sure it's straight from here like this, and it goes from there, and we just push it back and then close it. And you hear this click, that means it's locked, and it has these wheels that will go. And once we on, I think the light will go. But this has all the directions it can go. It can go like that, it can go like that, up. So it basically can go, I think, to this degrees. So if you're cleaning, you need to clean from side, you can do it this side, you can move it any direction you want. And then we have this long pipe. This is for the bottom part that we're going to be connecting. So you just put it in and this gets locked, and this is the top part which says lock system. So we just bring this one and we connect this together, and it says click. So that means it's locked. So once it's been charged, we need to put the battery in. So we're going to be removing this battery from here, and we're going to be inserting. Make sure you see these components has to go to this components. Be very gentle. This goes like that. We just put it. We're just going to be sliding this one onto this one, and we just give it a push and it gets connected. And all we have to do is we have to on this one, and it's gonna be on, and we have the speed limit is showing here, and we have, and this is the other side is for the battery. So this has the power button on, and this is the turbo mode. You want it to be high speed, you turn it again, it goes back to the normal. Now let's talk about the part that we have inside. So how to unlock, you just click it and it goes out, and you can clean this part, or you can connect this components with this, slide it, and it goes in, and you can connect it. And same way as you take it out and it's out. Okay, let's how to remove this. Once the bag, all you need to do is open this, and it comes out, and then that's the filter that has to be gone out. You clean this filter. That filter can be washed with water, it says. So you clean this filter, you clean this, you keep it before drying, and once it's dry you can put it back. So how do you put back? You just bring it in. You see the clips over here, so you just, and there's clip this, so this has to go like this, and then you just twist it. So this is locked, this is opened. You can see the sign which says open, and this is the sign which says it's locked. It's locked, it's not going to come out. And that's the bag, which is all taking the dust out. And then you place this on the top of this. It's not gonna fix like that, because you see this part has to connect with this one. So this is not getting connected, but then you twist and see, it gets perfectly fit. And then we just have to put it back. Now remember, this is the push button, so this goes this side. You need to put this direction and this one and this one. You need to push it up, goes there, and this gets connected. Once again, you push this one and it goes automatically and says that means it's working. So let's on it. Once you on, there is sucking, and if you want the turbo, you turn it, you keep on it, and it's gonna suck it, and when you leave it, it goes slow. And then you, and to remove that one, let's go this way, and you can remove this, and then again. I hope I have helped you out how to operate this Tefal